fire.
What are you waiting for?
Woo! That was it. What's up, y'all? So another vlog for today. So what are we doing today? We are going to try to get ready for Gallenberg Slam Enough. I don't know if you guys know what that show is, but it's a very, very large show, almost like a video-like game event held in Gallenberg, Tennessee. So I'm gonna prep my car, do some alignment, where I wash my car, add some little details here and there just to get ready for the show in 2 weeks. I'll see you in a bit. So we're here at White Tire trying to get alignment. Spark waiting to pull me in. So while we're waiting, I'm running my Nintendo Switch. Really nothing to do other than wait. There we go. Got that new DLC for Pokemon Violet. If y'all play, hit me up. Finally in the shop, ready to do our alignment and get done. My boy Chris is helping me out right here.
There were times we would drive till the sun broke through the black of the night on a wide road, paved in dreams that led me back to you. Lit a spark in the dark, gave me no choice. In the night, you're a light in the white noise. Suddenly, my heart's...
And we're done, just like that. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Shout out to Chris. So guys, so for today's install, we are going to be doing some tire letters from Treadwear. Can you see that? Treadwear. Yep. And I've already taken off one wheel. We are going to be cleaning this wheel. Let's see how it looks. Because it got some tire shine on. If you do an install, you got to take off the tire shine or any kind of silicone or anything on there, because it's very slick and not gonna stick very well. And I'll walk you guys through the whole process. Alright, so step one to clean the tires. Use a simple all-purpose cleaner. I use Simple Green because I don't like purple powder. It kind of leaves a stain on the wheels. Just spray it on the tire. Okay, just let it sit. Grab a nice brittle brush like this and go to town. Alright, got some scrubbing. I'm fucking can't catch my breath, and let's wash these bitches. All that gunk off. So if you look at the two tire, this one's clean, this one has silicone tire shine on it still. You can tell the difference. One's very matte looking, very dry. It's very wet looking. You want it to be dry. Next step is you gotta sand where you're gonna put the letters, just to make it smooth so all the layers can stick and the compound on the letters can stick. The kit comes with a sandpaper, or quite a few sandpapers, just for you to prep the tires. Very, very good. I just did this one. Onto the next. After you clean and scrub and sand, you want to wipe it down before install, which with any kind of alcohol. There you go. Using 70% works fairly well. I'm only doing it on the part where I'm putting the letters, which is the Yokohama and the Advan.
So what's going on here?
I'm adding the compound to the letters. And I'm sticking the letters to the tire. There's no fuck ups, because if there is, I'm fucked.
Lightheaded, our days. Why am I breathless? Too late to pretend I'm not acting reckless. What you do to me, the tension is waking little wings.
Alrighty, so the Is this the second one?
Alright. One last wipe down before I go. I believe Trevor forgot to send me the last application for these things for the 6 piece. So I'm just gonna add them up first and then go from there.
What a funny kind of feeling. Trying to fight it, then we collided, and I kinda like it. I never knew. I guess what I'm saying is there's no explaining it. You brought back the butterflies. We brought back the butterflies.
Alright, shout out to J Megan for sending me the part number to cover up this trunk hole. It's meant for a key, but as JDM goes, it doesn't have a key. I can't cut a US key to the JDM trunk. That's what I've been told. So, good part number. It works perfectly. It's for the, I believe that part number is originally for the wipers, but it works for the trunk as well. Last 2 wheels, brand new sandpaper. I think this is 600 here. No, 150.
I was afraid that I'd never feel like my heart went to the ceiling. You got me shaking it, I don't know why. What a funny kind of feeling.
Let me pour that drip off the paper.
Then we collided, and I kinda like it. I never knew. That's what I'm saying is there's no explaining it. We brought back the butterfly. Oh, oh.
That was it.
Cause we're hanging off the edge, nearly breaking. Now you're all up in your head, and we say things that we know we don't really mean. And we're tired, cause we ain't sleeping at all in the fire. Bring us closer to the fall. If we go down, we'll go down in flames. If it doesn't last forever, at least we'll always say we tried. If it's gonna
Alright guys, it's done, it's on. It's dark as shit right now, but still, it works. More pictures to come. There she is. So guys, so that concludes the video for today. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, just comment down below, subscribe and like the video. We're out. We'll see you again in a few weeks.